Welcome to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today's review of the 2025 Moto Guzzi V7, one of the most iconic and eagerly awaited motorcycles for 2025. If you're a fan of retro styling, Italian craftsmanship, and the unmistakable rumble of a V-twin engine, the V7 might just be your dream bike. Let's dive into the details and see what makes the 2025 V7 such a standout. A new look for a timeless classic. The 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 continues its legacy of blending modern performance with classic design. With sleek, more aggressive lines, the new V7 retains the spirit of the original while incorporating subtle changes that make it look more refined. The redesigned fuel tank, sharper fenders, and updated headlight give it a more contemporary feel, while still embracing the retro charm that made the V7 a cult classic. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 V7 carries forward the 850cc V-twin engine, a hallmark of Moto Guzzi's heritage. However, this year's model gets a significant upgrade in terms of performance and refinement. With increased power output, it delivers smoother throttle response and a more engaging ride. Expect around 65 horsepower, with an emphasis on low-end torque perfect for both city commuting and winding country roads. The updated engine also meets Euro 5 emission standards without sacrificing performance, ensuring it's both eco-friendly and thrilling to ride. Technology and features. Moto Guzzi has equipped the 2025 V7 with an array of modern features that enhance both safety and convenience. The addition of a full-color TFT display offers better visibility and navigation integration. It also gets traction control and multiple riding modes, allowing you to tailor the riding experience to your preference. The V7 also includes modern LED lighting, keyless ignition, and improved suspension for a more comfortable and controlled ride. Chassis and handling. The 2025 V7 is built on a lightweight steel frame that enhances both handling and stability. The new suspension setup offers better comfort, with adjustable rear shock absorbers and a more responsive front fork, ensuring that the bike handles with precision in both urban and open road environments. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through corners, the V7 offers a balanced, engaging experience. Customization and accessories. One of the standout features of the V7 has always been its customization options, and the 2025 model is no different. Moto Guzzi offers a range of accessories from sportier exhausts to custom seats and bags that let you personalize the bike to your exact tastes. Whether you prefer a stripped-down racer or a fully accessorized cruiser, the V7 has something to match your style. Conclusion. The 2025 Moto Guzzi V7 is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It maintains the brand's classic V-twin charm while integrating the modern technologies and performance upgrades that today's riders crave. With its sleek design, enhanced features, and engaging ride, the V7 is poised to continue its legacy as one of the most desirable motorcycles in the Moto Guzzi lineup. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines timeless aesthetics with cutting-edge performance, the 2025 V7 could be the perfect choice for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes.